Thank y'all for clicking today's upload. If you're new here, make sure you go down here to the subscribe button. Let us know what you think. We're up here at Atomic Speedway tonight. First time back here for me in about 3 years, 4 years, something like that. As me racing, I've been up here with Chad a few times as he's raced. But we're gonna go up and check the track out here in a second, and then I just got signed in, so. Here's a look at Atomic Speedway.
What's up, dude? What's going on?
Help you. Graphic person are you?
I'm not. I'm a sticker and color books.
So if you guys haven't figured it out yet, Chad's got the late model here, I've got the modified, and it is 5 pounds to win the late model. It's a Valvoline American late model Ironman series tonight, and then just regular racing in the modifieds, the sport mods, and then they got the 305 sprint cars here, the IMCA 305s. By the way, I figured it out. 2020 was the last time I ran here.
Oh yeah? Been a while.
Yeah, it was in the PCD car. So we raced to High Valley Speedway last night. We got home about 1:30 in the morning from there. We got up at 8, and then we had to leave by noon to be up here for the drive that we had. To get here on time, because hot laps start at 4:30 today.
Said, I'm not saved. I said, I'm gonna pray that you get saved. That's all that matters. That right there, that right there made my night. I don't care what the race was like. It was great. Don't get me wrong. That made my night. Just knowing that someone's wanting to give his life to Jesus Christ, he's gonna think more about it. If we can plant that seed, and you can go back and plant a seed, and another person plants a seed, we got a garden. I mean that literally. I don't want to see anybody in this pit area put that helmet on and get on that racetrack and not know that if something happened to their life tonight, would you go to heaven or would you go to hell? Good guys go to hell. You may be a pretty good guy. You may attend church every Sunday. But have you given your heart to Jesus Christ and got down on your knees and asked Him to forgive you of your sins? I'm not a preacher. I'm a sinner saved by the grace of God. That's who I am.
There is 31 super late models signed in, and there is 12 UMP modified signed in tonight. Chad was 19th out of 31. I was 11th out of 12. I just plain out didn't do very good. That's all she had. But we'll go on, try to do better in the heat, and hopefully it slicks off, so be a little bit more competitive. About all I can do. Chad's making a couple changes on his. I ground the tires on mine and made one wheel spacer change, so we'll see what it'll do. Also put the battery on charge because I'm not 100% sure if my starter's going out or if the battery just low. So when I went to go start it in the infield, it just clicked. So I'm not 100% certain there, so we got to figure that out. I think it's just the battery, so we'll see. I am last row outside the first heat of the mods. Chad is 4th row inside of the first heat of the late models.
That's an O'Neill at a rusty link at the Bruce Bill Performance Park. Smash the line, pedal starts on, you're off, turn of the forward, bringing it down to the back.
Chad got 5th in his heat race. I got dead last. Chad's getting ready to go out for the feature now. They moved everything up, and then I don't know when my feature is. They changed everything around, so I'll roll off last in the feature. Hopefully the track slickens off a little bit more, and we can do a little bit, maybe run the bottom a little bit, and it just got grip down there in the top. Hopefully late models blow it away, so we can run down there in the grip a little bit. We'll see. They are trying to speed everything up because of the rain that's coming in. Wasn't supposed to do anything, now it's a chance of it, so we'll see.
Conway 71R will bring us to the green. The Bruce Hill Performance Park smash the line pedal start zone. Atomic Speedway, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's the time!
the late model feature as is, with 33 laps in the feature and 7 left to go. They waved the checker, waiting to see if they've called the entire race or if they're going to see if it passes.
Called the late model feature short, and we're 33 laps in, and they just canceled the rest of the night for rain. Have a makeup date, I don't know when, sometime. We'll find out when. But if you guys haven't already, get on and hit that subscribe button. Let us know what you think. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one.